Hello students, how are you? Before we begin, let's look at the witch tree. People's witch a couple next to us. Alright, now let's write one witch on the tree with your partner. I wish you good luck and make today's lesson interesting. Let's repeat the previous lesson. In the previous lesson, we talked about kindergarten animals. Let's play a spinner game together. Let's say the name of the animal in English, Kazakh, and Russian. Excellent. White bear, ағаю, белый медведь. Жарайсыңдар. Тигр, жолбарыс. Blue whale, көк кит, синий кит. Elephant, pearl, слон. Alright, let's solve the puzzle so that students know the topic of today's lesson. Excellent. Today's topic is the city with lazy people. What are lazy people? Бұл сұрақтың жауабын білу үшін видеоға назар салып тыңдайық.
The Town with Lazy People, a story from Africa. Look and listen.
Upset. Hurricane. Blow. Throw. Servant. Dig. Huge. Reward.
Let's watch. The Town with Lazy People, a story from Africa.
A long time ago in Africa, there was a town where the people were very lazy. They just didn't want to do anything. They didn't clear their gardens or pick up litter from the streets. The town never looked clean, but the people didn't seem to care. Afolabi, the head of the town, was very upset. And he tried to get the people to look after the town, but it was no good. They cleaned it up for a few days, and then they just went back to their old lazy ways. One day, a very strong hurricane blew through the town. It blew down a tree and threw it across the main road of the town. Nobody wanted to do anything about the tree, so they just left it there. People climbed over it when they wanted to go from one end of the town to the other. Afolabi was very angry and decided to teach them all a lesson. He told his servants to dig a hole next to the tree and put a bag of gold in it. Then he waited. The next day, Amaki, a poor farmer, saw the tree and stopped to try and move it. He was not very strong, and it was a difficult job. Instead of helping Amaki, the people of the town just made fun of him. Afolabi heard about Amaki the farmer and sent his servants to help him.
Thank you for trying to help.
Afolabi said to Amaki when he saw him.
Now I want you to dig beside the tree.
Amaki did as he was told, and very soon he saw a huge bag of gold coins.
Those coins are yours.
Said Afolabi. Amaki could hardly believe his luck and thanked him.
No, don't thank me.
Said Afolabi and turned to look at the people of the town, who were by now staring in shock.
May this be a lesson to you all. Rewards come to those who work.
Who is Afolabi? Who was he angry? Alright, Afolabi is head of the town. He was angry because people did not keep the town clean. Who is Amaki? What kind of person is he? Excellent. Amaki is polypheral. He is well, thin and patient. Find a match. Мына жерде бүгінгі өткен тақырып бойынша сөздер беріліп тұр. Ол сөздердің қазақша және орысша атауларымен сәйкестендіреміз. Let's check. Жауабымызды дұрыстап тексерейік. Let's dance to the light of spirits. Let's all get up.
Көңіл күй жақсы болса ұршапалақ. Көңіл күй жақсы болса ұршапалақ. Көңіл күй жақсы болса ұршапалақ, шапалақ. Көңіл күй жақсы болса ұршапалақ. Ашу болып тұрсаң сен жерді теп. Ашу болып тұрсаң сен жерді теп. Ашу болып тұрсаң сен жерді теп, жерді теп. Ашу болып тұрсаң сен жерді теп. болса ұр шапалақ. Көңіл күй жақсы болса ұр шапалақ, шапалақ. Көңіл күй жақсы болса ұр шапалақ.
Жарайсыңдар оқушылар, алдыңғы сабақта біз мезгіл үстеуін өткен болатынбыз. Мына жерде сендерге сөйлемдер берілген. Жанындағы сөздерді орындарына қоямыз. Жауабымызды тексерейік. Task 2. Read and choose. The town was always dirty because the people didn't seem to care. Оқушылар, мына жерде сендерге алдыңғы видео бойынша сөйлемдер берілген, сол сөйлемдердің дұрыс жалғасын табуымыз керек. Белгілеп болсақ, онда жауаптарымызды тексерейік. What is your end of laziness? Жалқаулықтың түбі немен аяқталады деп ойлайсыңдар? Қанеки класстерге құрып жазайық. Дұрыс айтасыңдар, жалқаулықтың соңы денсаулықтың нашарлауымен, білімсіздік және салақтықпен аяқталады. Did the students enjoy the lesson? Let's ask the letter to the teacher method determine it. Homework: memorize words, answer the question in task 3 and draw a picture of your city.